Oh, this is my new Parweld everyday welding and grinding helmet. Wasn't very expensive. In fact, it was very cheap, including carriage all the way from Lithuania, which was a mistake. It was about 45 quid. Slightly flimsy box, which is of no consequence at all. In it we've got a fairly flimsy helmet. Remove the film before use. Shade control on the side and two controls on the back, one for sensitivity and one for the delay. So it came with a pair of spare lens covers, which is handy, and instructions written in English, which is also handy. I've been using it for about a month now, and it's okay. The darkening is instant, which is the important thing. I'm not getting flashed by it at all. It's easy to change the disposable lens covers. I would prefer it if it came a little bit further down under my chin, but it's okay if you're welding on a table and looking down, because it seals against your chest. The headband is hopeless. It's uncomfortable, and I'm constantly having to tighten the knobs to stop it going down. I haven't used the grind function, and I don't think I will be doing. I don't even know why they have one, but that's just me. I would buy another, and with this one I will probably end up putting the filter cartridge in a better helmet. I've got to say, it's a lot better than this one, which was also a cheap helmet. This one doesn't seem to darken quickly enough. I just don't trust this one. I've never had any eye damage from it, but I just do not like it.